gas stoves have become an essential kitchen item worldwide, providing convenience, efficiency, and cost. With India serving as a major manufacturing hub for high-quality gas stoves, the country has emerged as a vital player in the global gas stove market. According to global trade data, the industrial gas stove market is expected to develop at a moderate CAGR of 3.3% from 2023 to 2033. According to gas stove export data from India, gas cooker export shipments from India totaled 16K, with 1,285 Indian exporters selling to 3,243 buyers. Here are some of the main gas stove exporters in India: Usha Shriram, Prestige Industries, Butterfly Appliances, Surya Flame India Limited, and Venus Home Appliances. Here's a step-by-step guide to the gas stove export from India process: market research, product selection, quality assurance, export documentation, customs clearance, packaging, and shipping. Exporting gas stoves from India presents opportunities and challenges. Accurate export data, innovation, and market insights facilitate global market presence. Gas stove exports from India continue to grow, thanks to the country's manufacturing understanding, high-quality standards, and market-driven attitude. For updated gas stove export data or HS codes, our experts provide insights to navigate market trends and expand your global business.